Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you, back with another Leetcode problem. This one's called Sum of Unique Elements. So it says you are given an integer array nums. The unique elements of an array are the elements that appear exactly once in the array. Return the sum of all unique elements of nums. So as you can see from example 1, we're given an array called nums, and it's got 1, 2, 3, and 2. And the output's going to be 4. The reason being because the unique elements are 1 and 3 and the sum is 4. So as you can see, there's more than one instance that 2 appears in the array. So they are not unique elements, so we don't add those numbers up. The only numbers we add up are 1 and 3 because they only appear once. And that's how we get the output 4. In example 2, as you can see, all the numbers in nums are ones, so they are not unique elements, so the sum is 0. And in the last example, we're given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are all unique elements. They only appear once, so the output is 15. So now the way we're going to solve this is we're going to use Hashmap. And what we're first going to do is we're going to initialize the map. Map using the key int and the value int, and naming it MP for short, map. So while we're doing that is we're going to count out how many times that number has appeared in the map. And that's how we're going to determine if it's unique or not. So by determining the count of each number, we can see if it's only been appeared once, that's the number we're going to add up, and we're going to find the sum of all numbers that only appear once in the array called nums. So that's how we initialize the map, and then we initialize sum. That's where we're going to contain the sum of all the numbers that are unique elements. So to map it out, we're going to do a for loop. Here we go, there's our map. And we're going to go through every single element. There we go. And then we're going to do another for loop. In this for loop, we're going to go through the map. And we're going to be able to find if the count is only once, that meaning if it only appeared once in the map, then we're going to add it up to our sum variable. So using dot second and seeing if it's equal to 1. If it only appeared once, then we're going to add that up to sum, and using that first I dot first. That's going to be I dot first, meaning that's going to be our number that occurred in the array, and then I dot second being the frequency or the count of how many times it appeared in the map. So once we do that, we are to return sum. So then let's see if it passed the test cases, and they did. And we're just going to go to this tab to see some visualization. As you can see, step 1, initialization. We initialize the map and the sum variable that's going to contain the sum of all the numbers that are unique elements. Then we iterate through the nums. We're going to map it out, and as you can see, we use the first example of the problem that contains 1, 2, 3, and 2. As you can see, 1 only appeared once, 2 appeared twice, and 3 only appeared once. So the unique elements are 1 and 3. So when we're going through the map, as you can see, the count is 1, so add 1 to the sum. The count is 2, so skip. As you can see, 2 appeared twice. And the count is 1 for 3, so add 3 to the sum. The final result is 1 plus 3 equals 4, and the output is going to be 4. If you want more coding solutions, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.